Hi, I'm Pooja. I'm from Nature. I'm a 2025 graduate from DRK Institute of Science and Technology in the stream of CST with a 7.05 CGPA. I joined Qspiders in the month of May and I've done with SQL, Manual, Java and Selenium. I've took full stack course in this Qspiders and the trainers who are there were very good. They supported me, they encouraged me to travel in a correct path. So because of them only I'm in this position now. Like because of them only I got this opportunity, and the HRs are very supportive. Like they conducted grooming sessions and IPC, which made me to come up with my aptitude skills and also communication skills, and it's very good overall. And thank you. I'm really very thankful for Q Spiders for this opportunity. Thank you.